Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my vlog. And there's this random fact about me that I like structured chaos. Like मुझे एक ही चीज़ मैं रोज़ कर सकती हूँ. Like I can wear the same sort of clothes every day. I can eat the same food every day like for months and I wouldn't get bored. मुझे एक उसमें comfort मिलता है. I enjoy that. It might be a little monotonous and boring for others, but I don't know, I like that kind of comfort. So anyhow, ये मैंने groceries मंगवाई थी Spinny से. Then I had this package. I had ordered some skincare from Amazon. So I got this activated charcoal teeth whitening powder with the brush. Then I got the sea salt hairspray. This is hair voluminizer when you are blow drying your hair. I still need to try this out. Cotton rounds for makeup removing. Then minimalist face wash. This is also a new product, and even this hair protectant spray. So all of these are new products. I haven't tried them. And this is the Riyadh 1000 shot. This is something I have heard a lot of reviews and I am so excited to try. So yeah, this is the day Zaid was home because he had a tooth extraction a day before. And he was okay, but I still wanted to keep him home. He had slight cold as well. So we thought of making fried rice for lunch. Lunch mein I usually do something easy. So I had these veggies and then I had leftover rice. So Zaid was just helping me because he had to be entertained. कुछ तो करना था, नहीं तो बस स्क्रीन देखता रहता है वो पूरे हमेशा, you know. तो मैं उसको किचन में ले आती हूँ because he likes cooking and he likes being in the kitchen. So the fried rice, he was just helping me out and he wanted to be in the video. Our fried rice was ready. We served and we both ate together. And grab your sham ki chai ya phir coffee for that matter, and let's start our side hustle. That is not actually a side hustle. That is what I do for a living, I think, as a mom. Cooking dinner, and dinner is always like special at my home क्योंकि वो एक meal है जो हम लोग सब साथ में करते हैं. So anyway, today I was gonna make Caesar salad with some beef smash burgers, my kids' favorite. So ये Caesar salad बहुत ही yummy बनती है, and this dressing for the Caesar salad is without mayo. It's Greek yogurt, olive oil and mustard. I'm gonna list the ingredients and the complete recipe in the description box below. और ये जो है instead of croutons I add bread crumbs toss करके बहुत यम बनती है, and top it off with parmesan cheese. A side salad is a must at my home. My kids love it and they're used to having a salad with each and every meal. I think which is a good habit. कुछ भी खाएं but salad तो साथ में खाएं is really good. Now I was just getting ready for the burgers. और ये beef that I'm using is from Spinny's. It's grass-fed beef and I'm just gonna make, I haven't added anything, खाली एक balls बनाऊंगी और फिर उसको smash करूंगी. And I need this baking sheet. I've cut them in squares. So firstly I'm gonna toss little bit of butter, उसके साथ थोड़ा onion, and then this is how I'm making them. And then you need to press it with some heavy stuff और उसके ऊपर sprinkle करें salt, oregano and black pepper. I'll list it in the description box below. 3 minutes each side. Sorry, I was not able to take the last video because Zaid was very cranky, and this is how the burgers turned out. Yummy. करने के बाद, खाना बनाने के बाद, ended the day with this overnight sheet mask जो कि 2-3 घंटे के लिए लगाना होता है. It's super good. It just turns transparent, so just watch how it turned transparent and it leaves skin so supple and so good. Just look at it. I'll peel it off और इतनी चमकने लगती है ना skin. I try to do this at least thrice a week. There's a technique that I follow. After cleansing my face, I apply a good moisturizer, and over that I apply this sheet mask. Best for a dry skin. If you're enjoying my vlogs, then please do subscribe. Bye bye.